Well, guys, I'm in Stansted Airport. I've never been to this airport, although I can't remember if I've ever been here. But it's a nice airport. We're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough. My son was saying to go live, but I can't now. I don't feel like doing all that right now. So I might vlog it a little bit and show you. It was quite easy coming through customs, though. Very easy. Really easy coming through customs. Yeah, so we'll walk through duty free and see what their duty free is like. Well, this place looks nice to eat. I think we might eat here. Look, Tammy and my man come in. Yeah, there's a many around here. Right, the duty free looks quite nice here, doesn't it? Like, it's not as big as Gatwick or anything, but it's still quite nice. Got some nice look at Tammy's hat. And they've got the liquor over there, but you know we're not drinkers. Well, you know I'm not a drinker. No blimmin' way am I a drinker. Right, let's walk through and see what it's all about. Kylie, I didn't even know. Kylie Jenner, isn't it? That's her makeup. And what we got over here? We've got a glow up bar. Let's see this. Oh, guys, look at this. Yeah, you can smell it. This is like the Sol Janeiro. Ooh, that one smells nice. That's the bonbon cream, they call it, or something like this. I think the orange one's more. They've got some dupes in Home Bargains. Oh, wow. Trying to get this lady out of the way just so you can see the advert. Ooh, yes. So what's the prices here then? Okay. Oh, I hope I don't get copyrighted. They're good for the copyright, and that's why I'll try to talk over it so they can't copyright me. What's this one? Oil. Let's have a look at the oil. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice, that oil. Very oily. Let me put some on my foot. Don't know where to rub it now. That's really oily. What's this one? Oh God, yeah, right. So these are the little short, small, little ones, little gifted ones. Right, let's have a look. Let's go in here. Let's see what else they have. Right. So these are all the top range. It's quite busy in here. I didn't know the flights would be so busy this time of night, but there's a lot of people traveling this time of night. That's for sure. Loads. Right, okay. Right. Ooh, Moschino. Let's have a smell of this. This looks nice. I just like the look of the bottle. What is it, a man's one or a woman's one? Ooh, Toy Story. Huh? Like a Toy Story. Ooh, that smells strong. Tell me you should get one for Christmas. Oh, no, exactly. No, 70 quid. Let's go. Oh, let's go. I think this is the more Arab sort of perfumes, and I think I never used to like it so much, but some of them are very strong. Let's see. Oh, you can't even open it. Let me see. Yeah, very strong. Really strong. What's this? Clarence. Clarence still going on. Okay. All right. This duty free is quite big, you know. Didn't realise it was so big. Well, this is. I think I have been here before, but I don't think it was this big, you know. Now I kind of remember. Let's have a look. Ooh, that smells nice. Oh, here's a Bum Bum Cream again, man. They've got them all over the place. They're obviously selling out big time. That reminds me, we need to get some sunblock. Go.
Do you have some sunblock?
No, we have, but it wouldn't be enough. There wouldn't be enough. No, it wouldn't be enough. We need more because that sun is quite powerful. It's quite powerful, so we won't need any more. No, we need. You're confusing me now. Some of these glasses are nice. I like the luminous of it. Tommy, Tommy, try this one. I think it's a kiddies one. Let's have a look. Yeah, man, that looks cool. How much is it? That looks good. £25. Not bad. All right, he says it's too expensive. All right, that's expensive. All right, well, I'm glad you think so. Oh, dear. Glad you think so, mate. Right, they've got proper armed people here, haven't they? God, yeah, this is really heavy security. Why is it so heavy with security down here? Right. They've got, like, police officers walking, like, with arms, like, with guns and, yeah, proper security down here. Let's have a look. If I can get a close-up of them. Huh? Yeah, but you're out of Hamleys now, innit? What, I mean, you used to be in it every year, but you're a bit big for it now. Yeah, they have Hamleys in... Yeah, but we're going to go and sit down somewhere. That's what we're going to do. This is all... What is this? Oh, H.W. Smith. But this must... Oh, I don't know. Wow. Right. This is... What, a JD? I've never seen JD in... Oh, have I? I can't remember. I thought this was just a small airport, but it's obviously quite big. Well, it's international, isn't it? Oh, look. JD. Do you remember ever seeing JD in the other one? Wow. Wow, okay. It's a bit different. Sunblock. Let's have a look. Huh? Oh. We need like 50. This ain't 50. Oh, I see 50 down here. All right, let's have a look. Right, what's this? Rural. That looks nice. What's this? Tommy Hilfiger. They've got everything down here, haven't they? They've got Boss and Mulberry. Lego. Oh, where's Lego? Oh, Lego. You love Lego. No, I'm not buying no Lego. We bought Lego the other day. I spent 50 quid on Lego the other day, mate. Look, you go, Boss. Right, I need bikini because I forgot my bikini at home. Looks super dry there. All right, let's have a look. All right, so we're in accessorized. Let me see if I can find a bikini. Tommy, you gonna wait here while I walk around? I want a bikini. Oh, right.